Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could add a description for your YouTube channel so that you increase the visibility of your channel online. To do that, simply open your browser, open YouTube, click on your channel's image. I'm suggesting that you are already logged in. You can log in via Gmail account and click your channel, and here customize channel. The next step, from layout you want to click on basic info, and here scroll to the bottom and you will see description. You can type what is your channel dedicated to. Once done, click publish. You may want to refresh 1 or 2 times and you will see here your description. Now that you can change the description anytime you want. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.